Hello student, myself is Shushma from California Public School. Today I am going to teach class 5 subject social studies chapter number 4, the evolution of transport and communication. So the meaning of evolution means gradual changes that occur in what? In the field of transport. What is transport? The movement of people and things from one place to another. And the changes occur in the communication system. What is communication? Communication means sending and receiving messages. Now look at the picture. Picture A is a bullock cart, picture B is bus, picture C is aeroplane, picture D is a train, picture E is a big ship, and picture F is tanka, that is bicycle. So in this picture get going, we'll look at the pictures and which of this form transport you have traveled by. So इनमें से कौन से आपने ट्रांसपोर्ट में ट्रेवल किया है? Either you must have gone by car, bus, I think almost everybody gone. By which one did you like the most? इनमें से सबसे ज़्यादा most which you like? Like me, I like aeroplane. Tell your classmate why you like it most. So why you like it most? If I like the aeroplane because in the aeroplane it is a so nice feeling of heaven, है ना? It above the space, there is no crowd and so peaceful it is. Okay, so you must have different thoughts. Some may be liked by going by train because the train is going in the forest, from the forest then it moves to different places, so nice sceneries, then different type of people you meet, different type of food you can eat, so different people have different likes. In your opinion, which one is the oldest and which is the latest form of transport? Give reason for your answer. So in this, which you can see the oldest one? I think this is the bullock cart, which is the oldest one, because here the animals are tied to pull it, and the latest one is aeroplane because it is moving in the space. It is the last invention. So aeroplane is the latest form of transport. Everything in the world evolves. What is meaning of evolve? Changes over time. कोई भी चीज़ हो ये वर्ल्ड में चेंज होती रहती, it does not remain the same. In the previous chapter we have learnt about the evolution of human beings. जो हम पिछले चैप्टर में previous chapter we have studied about the evolution, how human beings के changes थे, different stages थे, and how from apes now human being till the modern people. In this chapter we will look at how transport and communication, two things that are of great importance to human existence. तो इस चैप्टर में हमने स्टडी करना है कि जो ट्रांसपोर्ट है एंड कम्युनिकेशन, ये दो चीज़ें हैं. ट्रांसपोर्ट दैट इज टेकिंग ऑफ पीपल एंड थिंग्स फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर, एंड कम्युनिकेशन इज सेंडिंग एंड रिसीविंग मैसेजेस. ये हमारी ज़िंदगी में ह्यूमन बींग के एग्जिस्टेंस के लिए कितनी इंपॉर्टेंस है, दैट वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न. हैव इवॉल्व्ड ओवर टाइम एंड हाउ इट हैज बीन चेंज ओवर अ टाइम. First of all, we learn the topic transport. Transport is the movement of people or things from one place to another. So जब भी हम we go to any uncle's house or any relative's house, how we go? We have to move from one place to another. The vehicle used to move people and things are known as means of transport. जिस vehicle में हम जाते हैं to one place to another, जैसे अंकल के घर, आंटी के घर, उस we used to sit and move. So that is known as means of transport. The way people travel and the means they use to do so have changed enormously. जिस तरह people travel करते थे and means they used to do and what they used to do change हो गया enormously, vastly, greatly over time. तो over time जैसे जैसे time आया way of people travel change. Let us see how. Early means of transport, सबसे पहले जो ट्रांसपोर्ट था. When we need to go from one place to another, we use different means of transport depending on how far the place is. So हमने एक जगह पे दूसरे जगह पे जाना है, we use different means of transport. जैसे हम ट्रांसपोर्ट यूज़ करते शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस के जाने के लिए बाइसिकल यूज़ करते, स्कूटर यूज़ करते, बट समटाइम वी गो बाय वॉकिंग. बट इफ़ यू वांट टू गो फार प्लेसेस लाइक मैंने कनाडा जाना है, हाउ आई विल गो बाय एरोप्लेन. आई हैव नो अदर मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. Such vehicle include bicycle, which are the vehicles that we use to means of transport. Bicycle, car, buses, trains and aeroplanes. However, long ago none of this vehicle had been invented. लेकिन पुराने ज़माने में long time ago ये सारी चीज़ें car buses were not there. So the only way early human could travel from one place to another another was by foot. So early humans क्या करते पुराने ज़माने में जब there was no vehicle, people used to move by foot, पैदल ही चलते थे. They walk long distance, often carrying or dragging heavy loads like logs, firewood and hunted animals. तो अपने साथ जब जाते थे तो अपने साथ कितना सामान लेके जाना पड़ता था, लाइक लॉग्स भी लेके जाने, फायरवुड, लॉग्स लकड़ के बिग ट्रीज ऑफ वुड, फायरवुड भी लेके जाना है फॉर कुकिंग एंड हंटिंग एनिमल्स. Slowly they began to use animals they had domesticated to carry load. Slowly जैसे जैसे वो animals domesticate करने लगे early humans, they come to know about they are also useful to carry loads like donkey and all. However, transporting heavy goods from one place to another was still difficult. फिर भी ये transport goods को करना, heavy load को करना बहुत ज़्यादा difficult था. The invention of the wheel is solved such much of this problem. जैसे invention of the wheel की, this you can see here the wheel in the Neolithic age. उन्होंने क्या किया, प्रॉब्लम ही सॉल्व कर ली. You learned in the chapter 2 how the wheel came to be invented in the Neolithic age. तो हमने चैप्टर 2 में पढ़ाया है कि how the discovery of wheel was done. Neolithic age around 3200 BCE. Wheel attached to wooden carts were the first land vehicle devised by human. So you can see here wheel attached to wooden carts. ये सबसे पहले vehicle था made by humans. Device का मतलब made by human beings. Look at the picture here. You can see a raft, a person carrying the load, how he's pulling, and the animals he's using to pull the load. Wheel cart were used to travel to distant places and transport things. तो wheel carts जो भी होते हैं that helps to travel a long places. These were drawn by animals or sometimes pulled by human. You can see here drawn by, कौन drawn करता है, animals or sometimes human beings. See here how the people are pulling heavy goods. While wheeled carts were used on roads, so wheel carts were used on roads, and early human used rafts and boats to travel across the water bodies. So early humans made a raft, tying the wood, logs of wood together and using it in the water to cross the water bodies. What are water bodies? It may be sea, it may be river. Later they also started using boats with sail. So they use building small boats with the sail. Look at the picture. Reaching the distant place, trade and voyages. So let us learn about how the trade and voyages, how people used to buy and goods, sell things, and different voyages. There's different discoveries made by them. Before the invention of the wheel, people mostly travel within the locality. Wheel invent होने से पहले लोग क्या करते थे, अपने अपने locality, अपने अपने area में, what is locality? Area, अपने अपने जगह में घूमते थे. But the invention of the wheel and new means of water transport made between distant places possible. जैसे wheel invent किया और नई न्यू मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट जैसे वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट, जैसे शिप, बोट, दिस मेड डिस्टेंस प्लेसेस पॉसिबल. दूर दूर का डिस्टेंस जो था इजिली कवर हो सका. द ट्रेड कैरिड आउट बिटवीन द इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन. जैसे इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन में ट्रेड होती थी, सेलिंग एंड बाइंग गुड्स, स्प्रेड अक्रॉस इंडिया एंड पाकिस्तान. तो ये दूर दूर तक फैल गया, इंडिया में भी एंड पाकिस्तान ऑल्सो. एंड द मेसोपोटामियन सिविलाइजेशन दैट इज विच इज इन द मॉडर्न डे इराक is one of the earliest example of trade between distant places. ये सबसे पुराने earliest examples of trade है जबकि लोग उस टाइम पे करते थे. Over time, merchants and sailors began to carry out expedition. Now merchants कौन है, जो अपने goods sell करता है. Sailor who has a what we say, sailor who sail the boat began to carry out expedition. वो expedition competition लगाने लगे over the seas के to discover new and shorter routes as trade. तो ये जगह ढूंढने लगे जो discover new places, shorter distance, किस तरह हम shortcut route हम ढूंढ सके for trading purpose, how they will find the people, how they will find the markets for them. Large powerful ships were built that could undertake long journey over rough and unknown seas. तो इसीलिए उन्होंने क्या किया, सेलर ने क्या किया, मर्चेंट ने क्या किया, बिग शिप्स बिल्ड करी है, अंडरटेकन लॉन्ग जर्नी, जो दूर दूर तक जा सके, रफ एंड अननोन सीज, जो रफ है जहाँ पे टाइड्स हाई होते हैं, जहाँ पे तूफान भी आता है, एंड अननोन सीज, जो इनको सीज का भी इतना नॉलेज नहीं है. मोस्ट ऑफ दिस वॉयज वे अंडरटेकन बाय सेलर फ्रॉम यूरोपियन कंट्रीज. सो मोस्टली जो वॉयजेस है, जो डिस्कवरीज उन्होंने की है, मोस्टली दे आर यूरोपियन कंट्री, फॉरेन कंट्रीज के अराउंड 15th century. लुक एट द सम ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एक्सप्लोरर ऑफ एंड their voyages. So in the first picture you can see Christopher Columbus, an Italian explorer. He belonged to Italy. He's an explorer. He has a great enthusiasm to find out the things. Set out in 1492 to find a sea route from European to Asia. तो इन्हें सी रूट ढूंढने के लिए गया था फ्रॉम यूरोप टू एशिया एंड एक्सीडेंटली रीच अमेरिका. Accidentally, by chance, because he don't know the places, he don't know the water bodies. So by chance he reached America in the course of his journey. जब वो जर्नी कर रहा था, that time he reached this. Now look at the picture of Vasco da Gama. This is the name of the person. A Portuguese sailor was the first European to discover direct sea route from Europe to India. ये Vasco da Gama person है. He is belong to Portuguese. Okay, पोर्तुगल से है. And he discovered the sea route from Europe से to he came to India. When he landed in Calicut in modern day Kerala. कहाँ पे लैंड किया था इंडिया में, कैलिकट में इन केरला इन 1498. Another explorer you can see Ferdinand Magellan. This is a Portuguese explorer. Again he is from belong to Portuguese. Was the first to cross the Pacific Ocean. सबसे पहले इसने क्रॉस किया कौन सा ओशन के, बिगेस्ट ओशन, दैट इज पैसिफिक ओशन. इन द कोर्स ऑफ इज जर्नी ही डिस्कवर द स्ट्रेट ऑफ मैगेलन. जैसे इसने कोर्स ऑफ जर्नी जैसे डिस्कवर कर रहा था, he also discovered the Strait of Magellan, this place in the water in between Pacific Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean, and helped to prove that the earth is round. And he also proved with the discovery of this Pacific Ocean, he also proved that the earth is round in shape. Okay, bye student, take care of yourself. Thank you.